Now, some of the members of the Indian men's hockey team returned to India after their big win. The players received a grand welcome at the airport. The Indian men's hockey team defeated Spain 2-1 to clinch the bronze medal at the Paris Olympics 2024 on Thursday. Remember, the remaining team members are expected to return after the closing ceremony as well. The members that have returned to India will be heading to their hotel shortly after they leave the airport. These are visuals coming in of the hockey team members. They've just exited the airport. They've received a grand welcome there, as you can see, as some of the members of the Indian hockey team have been received by their fans, families, supporters as well. They are heading to their hotel now in New Delhi, is what we're learning. These are visuals coming in right after the Indian hockey team members have returned to India. Remember, some of the key players and main players of the team will be returning to India after the closing ceremony of the Paris Olympics. This of course comes after the Indian men's hockey team's big win at the Paris Olympics. They clinched bronze medal after they defeated Spain 2-1 at Paris. Right. This, of course, comes as a big win for the Indian hockey team as well as the Indian contingent at the Paris Olympics. Remember, India is at 6 medals at the Paris Olympics. The hockey team, of course, bringing laurels for India at the Olympics, having won the bronze medal, defeating Spain 2-1. It was quite a game that was played at that time in Paris between the Indian hockey team and the Spanish hockey team. Some of the members now have returned home. We will get you more details on what they're saying in terms of how they feel after having returned home after a big win. These, of course, visuals coming in. As you can see, some of the players exiting the airport. They've received a very warm welcome by their supporters, their friends, their families, their coaches. They're celebrating their return, celebrating their win as well. Remember, the other players or the remaining players will be returning after the closing ceremony, is what we're learning. So just a few of the players have returned today. We'll bring you more details on who are the players that have returned. As of now, as you can see, they're being welcomed by their family members, by their supporters, their fans as well. Some of the members, of course, have returned today. They're going to be heading all right, this is the captain of the Indian men's hockey team who has returned along with some other players as well. Harmanpreet, the captain there, having returned. The players are going to be heading to their hotel shortly, just as they've exited the airport. They're going to be heading towards the bus and then heading for the hotel. We will bring you more on how they're feeling if my colleagues there on the ground get an opportunity to speak to them. My colleague Ghazali joins us. He's at the airport at this point. Ghazali, we're getting in visuals of the players having exited the airport. They're receiving a very warm welcome. A lot of music and joy at the background as well, celebrating their medal.
See, you can see the typical Punjabi celebration here. The crowd has gathered, team support staff and also officials from the ministry are here. You can see these young boys who have won a smart medal after almost 4 decades that India has won medal in the hockey in the Olympics. And right now, the scene is very ecstatic here. The people have already gathered outside the arrival of the T3 of Indira Gandhi International Airport, and there are fans who have also gathered with pictures, with posters of these hockey players who are literally heroes for getting a hero's welcome today. And after what we saw in other category with what happened with Vinesh Fogart, and immediately after that, this victory in the Olympics is certainly was a big morale booster for the country, for the sportsmen. And now you see the Indian hockey captain Harmanpreet Singh is coming towards the frame, and he will be addressing the media.
And what you're seeing over here is the scenes of jubilation as our heroes, the Indian hockey team, have now arrived. Now they're being led by our captain Amanpreet Singh, and you can see that with the heroes arriving, there is a lot of jubilation. There is a lot of enthusiasm because yes, after winning 2 successive bronze.
भाई पीछे लेके जाओ यार, किसी का भी नहीं आएगा।
आपको दुख है कि
बिल्कुल आई थिंक मेडल होता है और देश के लिए मेडल लेके आना सबसे बड़ी बात है। जो हमारी कोशिश थी कि हम फाइनल तक जाएं और गोल्ड मेडल जीतें, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो हमारा सपना पूरा नहीं हुआ। बट हम खाली हाथ वापस नहीं आए एंड बैक टू बैक ब्रॉन्ज मेडल जीतना ये भी हिस्ट्री है हॉकी के लिए और आई थिंक बहुत प्राउड हैं हम।
किसको डेडिकेट करेंगे ये मेडल?
ये पूरे इंडिया को करेंगे कि जितना आप लोगों ने सबने प्यार दिया है हमें, वो हमारे लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है और ये स्पोर्ट आपकी हमेशा हमारे साथ रहे, यही उम्मीद करते हैं। आई थिंक काफ़ी इमोशनल मोमेंट था उनके लिए भी, और क्योंकि इतना समा उन्होंने जो हॉकी को दिया है, टीम को दिया है, आई थिंक वो बहुत बड़ी बात है। एंड लास्ट मैच खेलना और मेडल के साथ फिनिश करना, इससे बड़ी बात उनके लिए भी कोई नहीं है। तो हमारा यही था कि जो वो जा रहे हैं तो उनको अच्छे से भेजें, मेडल के साथ भेजें और हम बहुत खुश हैं उनके लिए। बट ऑफ कोर्स अभी वो रिटायरमेंट दे चुके हैं, बट वो हमेशा हमारे साथ रहेंगे, नो डाउट।
दी गई, मोदी ने भी आपकी तारीफ की, इस पर आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे जो टैग नाम दिया गया?
नहीं बिल्कुल सर, आई थिंक जो सपोर्ट मिल रही है स्पोर्ट्स को और सभी गेम्स को, आई थिंक वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। रियली वांट टू थैंक गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, हमारे साई बेंगलोर और आई थिंक साई के एंड जो हमारी उड़ीसा गवर्नमेंट है एंड हमारी हॉकी इंडिया, आई थिंक इनकी बहुत बड़ी सपोर्ट है हमें। और एज ए प्लेयर सबको यही होता है कि आपको सब सपोर्ट मिले, जो आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट हो आपकी पूरी हो, तो आई थिंक वो हमें मिली है और आई रियली वांट टू थैंक।
2028 में आपको ओलंपिक में
वो मेडल्स लगातार इंडियन हॉकी टीम ने ओलंपिक्स में जीते हैं, क्या कहेंगे? लास्ट क्वेश्चन।
बहुत खुश हैं और बहुत प्राउड हैं क्योंकि हॉकी के लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है और जितना प्यार अब मिल रहा है हॉकी को, और ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हमारी डबल करता है और हम भी कोशिश करेंगे कि जब भी मैदान में जाएं और देश के लिए मेडल लेके आएं।
थैंक यू।
Right, the captain there speaking about the big win. He says a medal is a medal no matter if it is bronze, silver or gold. Also saying that hockey has been loved and has been given a lot of love by the people and by sports enthusiasts, thereby bringing in more responsibility for the team. My colleague Ghazali still with us. Ghazali, the team, they're ecstatic on their win and, you know, having added another feather to India's cap at the Olympics.
Yeah, certainly, and this will give a kind of boost to the sports, hockey as a sports, because we had only seen this happening in Odisha or the Odisha Chief Minister promoting hockey, but this kind of performance certainly inspires youth in rural areas, and we will see that this will also kind of improvise the infrastructure for sports across the country, not just limited to one sport, that is cricket. And we know, and you can see the fans had come over here over the rooftop on the departure area of in the Gandhi International Airport, and tight security here, and now the team is moving. I'll ask my camera person to show you that the team will now be moving to either Dhyan Chand Stadium here or towards one of the hotels in central Delhi for further interaction. So a big win for India, and now it's certainly the captain himself was saying that bronze is it's also a medal, and we are not quantifying it whether it's a gold or bronze or silver medal. So kind of a statement which will inspire youth, which will also give much impetus to this sports, because every time we see that whenever there is a kind of this kind of performance or a global event like Olympics or World Cup, then only the focus shifts to such sports. And now through visuals we'll show you, this is the bus through which the hockey team members are now departing from the Indira Gandhi International Airport.